Allocations. Many products in many different places. Scheduling, organizing, and dispatching this level of information isn't easy. DTN Allocation Tracker enables your data to be aggregated in one place, so you can utilize and shape it to how it best fits your operations. Our web application provides a real-time view of allocations in a tabular format, with the functionality to request GPOs and add loads when you need it. Or connect your existing data pipeline through our API offering, providing the solution in the form of a REST web service. The ability to retrieve specific real-time allocation information is critical to the long-term sustainability of your operations. DTN Allocation Tracker puts the power of your data to work for you. Visit with your sales representative today and take your operations to the next level with DTN Allocation Tracker.